Sanibonani bafethu. I want to do another video about how to make imali on YouTube. You understand? Like on YouTube monetization. You understand? Because abantu abaningi like they always asking ukuthi YouTube does pays, you understand? YouTube iyabhadala bafethu nje kakhulu yabo. But YouTube ibhadala kanjani inama requirements ewenzayo. For example, you must have 1,000 subscribers, and the 1,000 subscribers automatically bazodinga ukuthi manje ube ne 4,000 what one? Because I want to say the exact name. You must have 4,000 hours. Yes, you must have 4,000 hours. And then when you have 4,000 hours, so automatically shows ukuthi you are working. Yeah, well, there's something that you are doing. So in that way, it's gonna help you a lot, guys. So in this I see a lot of people like they say, YouTube doesn't pay. It does pay as soon as you reach that requirement. As soon as you reach that requirement, it's gonna pay you, guys. It's gonna pay you. And I'm talking from experience, understand? I'm talking from experience because everything, guys, made experience before because it's not easy on YouTube. Trust me, it's not easy on YouTube ukuthi ube monetize. Akulula kakhulu. Kunzima indlela esimanga, guys. Ngifuna ukamama kunzima nje kakhulu nje. You understand? Because it can take years. Like it take how many years? I think Facebook ngimqale 6 years back or 5 years back or 7 years back, and then they were monetized last year. Good recording calendar, which means 2025. You understand? Yeah, 2025. Now, maguza that month end of the year around November. So I got monetized to get up, okay, and then it's by like Zimali, and then my first payment was on December, but it was not a lot of money. I'll be honest to you guys, it's only 1,000 rand and a couple of friends on the side, yeah, bro. So it's possible, yeah, bro. It's possible only if like we dedicated and we shy away, yeah, bro. Only if you dedicated and you do this thing, you're gonna get monetized. But I find Facebook is very easy to be monetized on Facebook. But Facebook at the same time is very strict, so they can demonetize you so easily. You understand? But here on YouTube, they give you a lot of lessons and a lot of ideas how to make it in content.